Greetings and salutations YouTube, it's itsHadrian here. Welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? I hope you guys are all doing fantastic. I'm here today with a haul video, but if you guys love thrifting, thrift hauls, and vlogs, do not forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button so you're notified when new videos do go up. Add me on Instagram, itsHadrian. Just get spelled here, and check out my shop, itsHadrian.com, to see whatever sale for my thrifting adventures. But without further ado, let's head into this unboxing slash... Well, it's not technically unboxing because I already opened it because I wanted to like take it out of the packaging because no one's really about that life with the dirty boxes. So I did take it out already, but I didn't actually open it up yet because I wanted to experience it with you guys. So it was actually like in a box, and then it was inside of this thing, which is actually pretty nice because now I can reuse this. But it's actually inside this little bag right here, and I'm super duper excited to open this up with you because I have been looking for one of these for so long. I didn't even know Princess Schooler made this bag in this size. So, and if you guys have watched like my previous videos and like handbag collection videos, you guys know how much I love Princess Schooler. I have so much stuff from them. I have numerous bags, different styles. I have so many like wallets and pouches and all that stuff. So, without further ado, let us open this up because I'm really excited to see how it looks. So, oh my gosh, it is so stinking cute. Look at that. I took a chance too on this color because I was like, ooh, like, is it, like, I was hoping it wasn't like really too pinkish. And it's actually kind of like a, if you guys are familiar with Louis Vuitton, like the Vachetta or however you pronounce it, when you get it and it's like brand new before it started to oxidize, that's what the color of this is. Like, oh my gosh, it's so stinking cute and it's so tiny. Like, in my hand. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. Oh, the crossbody strap is in here. How cute. I wish there was like a little back, like a back pocket, like the regular sized one. So this is the PS1. I forget the name of the size, unfortunately. But, oh my god, it's so cute. I actually found this on, where did I find it on? It was, I honestly don't even remember if it was on Poshmark or if it was on eBay. I think it was on, no, I got this on eBay, but I also did see the listing on Poshmark. But eBay actually takes more, takes less of a commission than Poshmark does. And so I was like, ooh, maybe I can get away with offering like a smaller amount on eBay than on Posh, so since they take less. And it worked. I got this, I think I got this for like $300. And it's literally brand new, you guys. It still has all of the original tags. All, like, everything is like still wrapped up beautifully. I wonder if it has the original price on here. Does it have the price? No, but it does say, oh, the micro. It's the PS1 micro, and it's in light apricot. Right there, if you're interested in the color and the size. Then it has all the other little goodies right here. This is so cool! I'm like really excited about this. This bag is literally like brand new still. So, the regular bag has this front pocket right here under the flap, but there normally is a zipper pocket right there. And then there is normally another like zipper pocket inside, but this one does not have that. But here's what the inside looks like. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. I'm like literally so shook at how cute this bag is. And I actually brought out my other PS1 bag so you can see like a size comparison, but like this is so tiny. It's not my tiniest bag that I own so far, but this is the tiniest bag that the PS1 comes in, or its tiniest size. This is, so this is the, did I say mini? This is the mini, this is the tiny. So this is the PS1 tiny. And this is like the size comparison. It's so much smaller. The tiny, like, it does actually have all of the same compartments as the regular size, except it's missing the one zipper pocket right there. Oh my gosh, it's so stinking cute, you guys. So okay, so there's that size comparison, and then this one is the PS1 medium size. So this one's the medium. So here's a comparison of the three. There's that size difference. That is so cool. Oh, so many. I actually have another medium, but that's pretty much the same size, right? I used to have the large, but I no longer have that one because I ended up selling it. But I love like tiny little bags, and this one is so super cute. Oh my gosh, I can't. Let's actually see how the strap is. Oh, it's so new. Ooh, the strap is adjustable as well, which is always nice. We do love an adjustable strap. I'm really excited about the color because it is like a vachetta. I thought it was gonna be like a light pink, but look at that. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh, how adorable. It's so tiny. So I do have like an obsession with tiny bags. I think they are so super fun. I feel like the less you're able to put in them, the better. No, just kidding. But this is actually a really great size because I think it will fit. Let me let you guys know, because I feel like this is a very important question to answer, because when you have a tiny bag, you always want to know whether or not you can fit your phone inside. Because if you can fit your phone inside, like, that's a game changer. I know for sure it will fit a wallet, just not like a full-size regular wallet. But I have the iPhone, the largest iPhone. So let's see if it fits. Ooh, it's okay. It fits kind of diagonally. It doesn't fit like perfectly perfect, but it will fit inside. And then if I had like a card wallet or something, it will fit in there still too. So it actually will fit your phone. Yay! Even though you do have to a little bit diagonally, but it will still fit. Oh my gosh, that is so exciting. That is good news. But if you had the smaller iPhone, it would 100% fit inside. And I have heard rumors that the new iPhone 12 that's coming out is gonna come out in an actual smaller size. I think it's actually gonna be the same. It might actually even be smaller than the iPhone X when that phone came out. But yeah, so the largest iPhone will fit inside, and that is very, very exciting news. That is so cool. So happy about this bag. It's like literally so gosh darn cute. I haven't bought a bag in a hot second in quarantine. And this one is definitely one that I'm really excited about. It's the tiniest Proenza Schooler PS1 satchel. Again, one last size comparison between the two. Love it. This is like such a great size. I love it. It's small enough that it's super tiny, but it's big enough that it'll still hold your like super duper essentials. So it will hold like my phone, my wallet, extra batteries, chapstick, and what else do you really need in this world? It'll definitely hold sunglasses as well too. So if it can hold my phone, it can hold sunglasses. But there's the end of the video. That is what I got. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know if you have been considering the PS1 mini. A lot of people I know love the PS1 out there, and I as much as I love the PS1, I didn't even know that they had this size for like a hot second. And I have been searching far and wide to find this at a good deal, because when I first found out about it, they were still like pretty new-ish, and there weren't really any secondhand or anything on like the secondhand market. So if you really like something, even if it is new-ish still, you can probably definitely still find it online, and at a great deal. You just have to stay persistent and stay vigilant. Keep a lookout and you will find those treasures. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please consider giving it a big thumbs up. And consider subscribing. It always helps too with the YouTube algorithm. And if you guys would like to tune in tomorrow for a new video, it's going to go up bright and early at 7 a.m. But until then, I bid you guys adieu. Bye!